One TV special report.
Huwag mabahala, kaibigan, isinilang kamandayan, isang bulag sa kamunduhan, ligtas ka sa kasalanan. Lalayo sa iyo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinahangal na buhay na banal. Hindi mo umawi, hindi mo makuhang gawin. Sigaw ng puso't damdamin, wala sa'yo pumapansin. Sa buong daliri kaibigan, sa kanila pakikinggan, bibig ka man ng isinilang, dakila ka sa sinuman. Sa'yo ang musika, sa'yo ba'y mahalaga? Matahimik mong paligid, awitin ay di marinig. Mapalad ka o kaibigan, napakaingay ng mundo. Sa isang binging katulad mo, walang daing, walang gulo. Ang tunay na mundo, marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinahangal na buhay na banal. Minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinahangal na buhay na banal. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinahangal na buhay
He is from Cluster 5, Mars Medical Center. Please welcome our second finalist from Cluster 7, PhilHealth SSS Red Cross DSWD. She is from Cluster 7, PhilHealth, SSS, Red Cross, and DSWD. And now the stage is ready for the third grand finalist from Cluster 8, LGU, Ozamis City.
Di mahagilap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nakikiusap na lang, himala, kasalanan ba? Humingi ako sa langit na isang himala. Kasalanan ba? Humingi ako sa langit na isang himala. Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nakikiusap sa mahal, himala, kasalanan ba? Humingi ako sa langit na isang himala. Kasalanan ba? Humingi ako sa langit na. 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 Sa himala. Sa himala. Sa himala.
She is from Cluster 8, the local government unit of Azami City. Our fourth finalist represents Cluster 13, BIR, ROD, Post Office, and LTO.
Kala ko ikaw ang akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw yung kapit, nalalaho sa dilim. Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, ninais kong malaman mo na ang pag-ibig ko baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang nagkapalit. Ako pala'y nag-iisang hangal, naghahangalan sa katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking
is from Cluster 13, BIR, ROD, Post Office, and LTO. And our last but definitely not the least finalist from Cluster 15, National Food Authority, Bureau of Treasury, Prime Water, and Muelsi Dos.
Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ikaw ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kaba at ligaya. Ang iyong piling, wari ko'y di marinig pagkat namamanghal pagkausap ka. Kaya nais ko malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay magkasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ikaw kaya ay nais din akong makapiling at iibigin. O kay sarap naman isipin na tayong dalawa ay iisa ang damdamin. Aking hinihiling na sabihin mo ang nilalaman ng iyong puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay magkasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. O kay tagal ko na naghihintay, nasa akin ay nag-aalay ng pag-ibig na tunay at di magwawakas. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay magkasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap
Treasury, Prime Butter, and Wells D. Donos. There you have it, Azami City, our top 5 contestants! Let's give them a big round of applause. We are celebrating the beauty of original Filipino music, or OPM, tonight. And again, thank you very much to our top 5 contestants. Among them, who do you think will reign supreme and will, of course, end the night as a champion for this year? Alright, few moments to go and the champion will be revealed. But of course, ladies and gentlemen, just like in a pageant, wherein Reigning Queen will have her finale walk. Last year, we also had that beautiful and magical celebration of music with the first Ascenso Azami singing competition featuring our college students. And now, our reigning queen, I would say, our champion is back to share another world-class performance for us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the Ascenso Azami's singing contest.
Cause I always thought the dreaming once forgets just a childish thing. And I could swear love was just a game that she didn't play more than a game. Till I met you, till I met you. This seems so wrong every day. I love you more each day.
In 2024, the Ascenso Ozami Singing Competition met you. Queen, once again, let's give a resounding applause to the 2024 champion, and I would, of course, describe as the reigning queen, Jean Bargoro. In few moments, ladies and gentlemen, another champion will, of course, bring inspiration not only to the city of Ozamis, but also to the province of Misamis Oriental, to the country, and of course, to the world, because who knows, your office mates might be on the national TV some of these days, or one of these days, and many Ozamisans have made us proud because of their streak in national competitions. And thank you very much, Ascenso Ozamis administration, for having this competition as an avenue para atong mapakita, mapagawas. We will bring to the spotlight the incredible and amazing talents of Ozamisans. And of course, we will never forget the effort. And of course, I'm sure the stress also we have given to our dear judges, and that is why Ozami City, let's thank our dear judges, and let's give once again a resounding applause to Mr. Neshas D. Chong Jr. Sir, thank you very much. We also had Mr. John Lyric D. Poligrates. And finally, we have Ma'am Maria Riza Gamotin Hain. Alright, let's give another round of applause. It wasn't easy, I'm sure. And here we go, with their expertise and their talents and time. And we would like to request our city councilors and judges, as we'll be giving these awards and the prizes to our winners tonight. And of course, I am holding now in my hand the final results. Who do you think will be the Ascenso Ozamis Singing Contest Champion 2025? And as I have just requested our judges and the city councilors, I will be inviting once again our top 5 Ozamisans who really have showcased their vocal prowess tonight. You all are champions. And again, to our salamat, and to the city councilors, you have Honorable Sunny Waminal, Honorable Junjun Sakin, Honorable Art Pro, Honorable Dinky Suizo, and SK Federation President John Phil Duhay Lungsod Dagan Case. Now, let us welcome once again our top 5 contestants. There we go! We will be announcing the top 3, of course, beginning with the 3rd placer, who will receive 10,000 pesos, 2nd placer, 15,000 pesos, and of course, this year's champion will have ang tumataginting ng 25,000 pesos. And there we go. There we go. So we'll begin with the 5th placer. And our 5th and 4th placers, once again, will have their consolation prize of, here we go, 5,000 pesos each. Are you ready? Alright. Ozamisans are truly talented. 5th placer is... So I will now be mentioning your cluster number as your official contestant number. The 5th place goes to contestant number. Congratulations, Fifth place, contestant number 7.
Clap, snap, clap, clap. Everybody dance to the music. Right hand.
Contestant number 7 is Daisy Jane Balicasa, Cluster 7, PhilHealth, SSS, Red Cross, and DSWD. Congratulations. And now, Ozami City, the 4th place goes to... Please step forward, contestant number 13 from BIR, ROD, Post Office, and LTO. She is Zaira Kenzie Abello. Who do you think is a third placer? Congratulations! Contestant number 8, Angelica Moliona from the local government unit of Ozami City.
It's that beat o'clock, yeah, it's thick. I've been through a lot, but
We still celebrate women empowerment despite the fact that the remaining 2 are gentlemen. Alright. The top 5 was dominated by women. Now, we get to see gentlemen standing. There we go. And of course, the moment that I announce our second placer, that means to say, or shall I have the second placer still? Or champion? Alright, so I will be announcing the second placer. The second placer again will receive 15,000 pesos. Ozami City, the second placer is contestant number, he is contestant number 15, Aldrin Miguel from the National Food Authority, Bureau of Treasury, Prime Water, and Policy Dogs. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all our winners and also sa tanan nga contestants representing the different local and national offices dinhi sa atong dakbayan sa Ozamis. I know you all have made Ozamis proud tonight. It has been an incredible night of music, talent, and camaraderie sa atong pag-asenso. And of course, we thank everyone who came to support our event and all our performers tonight. And I say that completes the Ascenso Azamis Singing Competition 2025. This has been Joey Marie Rivera from Ozami City National High School. Until the next Ascenso Ozami Singing Competition, keep singing, keep dreaming, and keep on making Ozamis proud. Advance Happy Fiesta Ozamis, Ascenso Ozamis, Ascenso Segundo Distrito, Ascenso Misamis Occidental, Ascenso Pinoy. Maayong gabi, Ozami City!
Waste time with the masterpiece, to waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling with